Hi techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video, I'm going to show you create IAM role for EC2 with the policy attachment. So that we need to create a for IAM role must with the IAM role mark, and the service must be EC2 and attached policy name is the IAM policy. In order to perform this task, we need to log in our AWS management console. So I'm going to my Chrome browser. Already I have the account and I'm going to sign in now. Once you sign in, you need to go to here for a IAM role. If you can't able to find out, we have the search bar over here and type for the IAM. So for my case, already I used for the IAM service, so I'm selecting on that. Once you selected, we need to create a for role, and we have an option called create a role. So click on that. So it's a AWS EC2 service, and the use case, select EC2, then click on next, and search for the which is already existing our permission. So our permission IAM policy mark in search, and select, bring next. Then role name, we need to provide the name of the role, that is for IAM role mark, and bring it mark. So if you want to edit anything, so you can able to edit here. So then you come to bottom and create a role.